Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are thrilled to present a comprehensive guide on how to compress your images without compromising quality, all without the need for Photoshop. What is even better? It wouldn't cost you a penny. Contrary to any expectations, the process is remarkably simple, and we are here to guide you through each step with clear explanations. To demonstrate, we'll be utilizing the impressive capabilities of the Nero AI image upscaler. Let's get started right away. First and foremost, ensure that you are logged in into your Nero account. This step is crucial to ensure a seamless experience and access to all the fantastic features Nero has to offer. For those of you who may be unsure about creating or logging into your account, don't worry. We've gone the extra mile to provide you with an in-depth video tutorial covering every aspect of getting started with Nero Image Upscaler. You can find this invaluable resource in our video library, which guides you through the entire process step by step. With your login process successfully completed, let's dive into the exciting part, compressing our photos. In the top left corner of your screen, you will see an option labeled Online AI. Right next to Mobile AI. To tap into Nero's remarkable capabilities, including the ability to breathe new life into your images, simply click on Online AI. For today's tutorial, we are focusing on the image compressor, so click on that. Now, let us explore how you can enhance your images with Nero. The first step is to upload the image that you want to improve. Once you do that, Nero will take care of the rest, using its advanced technology to create a compressed version of your image that still has quality and resolution. This process is fast and easy, and you don't need to worry about losing any details or colors in your image. But keep in mind that the processing time may vary depending on your internet speed. If your connection is slower, it could be due to high website traffic or your general internet service speed. And there you have it. The process is now complete. And in under a minute, your image has been compressed. You can compare the difference with your original image here, and as you can see, the quality remains excellent despite the compression. You don't need to use any complicated software like Photoshop to compress your images and reduce their file size. With the use of Nero, an AI-powered tool, it can also compress your images without compromising their quality or resolution. If you have more photos to compress, feel free to follow the same straightforward process again. However, please note that as a free user, your access comes with limited credits. You can easily check your remaining credits in the upper right-hand corner. So, make the most of this incredible tool while you have credits to spare. Getting your hands on that beautifully enhanced image is a breeze. Just click the download button and your masterpiece will be swiftly saved to your device. Now, you can easily share your stunning creations with friends and family, showcasing your newfound image enhancing skills. We sincerely hope that this step-by-step tutorial has been a valuable resource in guiding you through the process of compressing your images without sacrificing quality using Nero AI Image Upscaler. If you have found this information helpful and crave more fantastic content like this, along with staying updated on the latest advancements in AI tools and techniques, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will stay ahead of the curve in the exciting world of AI developments. Before we conclude, we'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude for joining us today and investing your time in exploring the captivating realm of bringing your photos to life through the magic of AI. Always remember, the horizons of creativity are limitless, and Nero AI Image Upscaler is your trusted companion on this artistic journey, ready to transform your visions into reality. We eagerly anticipate your presence in our next video. Until then, thank you for watching.